Alright guys, I want to show you how to put together this 30-second ad, and here are a few tips to ensure that you deliver a consistent, clear, professional message. This ad here we designed for an audience that's well aware of your business and the types of services that you provide, or it's just simply in peak season. My point being, this ad gets right down to business. So first, before you start to take your video, make sure you have light in your face and not behind you. Secondly, always smile. Even if you're ugly like me, always smile. Third, you got to make sure you have enthusiasm and speak with great tone, flowing up and then down. Fourth, use the body language that allows people not only to hear what you say, but also feel what you say. Fifth, it's finally time to speak. Clearly introduce yourself and your company. Then sixth, quickly speak of the services that you're promoting. The seventh tip is to have a quick call to action. And the last and final tip is to anchor down the name of your company and your website. This may be a form that they need to fill out to get started. Now, in closing, I'm going to show you a quick 30-second ad that I created myself. It's short, sweet, and to the point. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you'd like more information on how you can grow and scale your business, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave us a comment or a review. Thanks as always, guys, and now back to the show. Hey guys, it is your friend Scott with Forever Green. Thank you so much for watching this video. Just in case you don't know, Forever Green specializes in turf management. We offer a weed control and fertilizer program for a greener, more weed-free lawn. Hey, if this sounds like something you or somebody you know that may be interested in, please go to our website right now, forevergreen.com. That is the number, forevergreen.com. Fill out the form. We'll be happy to reach out to you for free, no strings attached. Guys, again, it's forevergreen.com, the number forevergreen.com. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you soon.